fifth class of pair of linear equations in two variable chapter 2. Today I am going to discuss questions from exercise 3.3, a question to find out the taxi charge, then to find out a fraction and an age problem. Let us go to the first question. Here is your question. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. That means a fixed charge, and per each kilometer you have to pay some extra charge. The condition given is for a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 105. And for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer you have to find out. And one more, how much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers. So first we have to take x and y. Before solving, first you find out what are the things to be found out. Here you have to find out a fixed charge and the charge per kilometer. So that you have to write first. So we can start. Let rupees x be the fixed charge and rupees y be the charge per kilometer. This is the first step. Now let us look at the first condition. Here, for a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge paid is rupees 105. So for 10 kilometers, how much extra you have to give? Per kilometer you have to give y rupees. Then for 10 kilometers, of course it is 10 y. So according to the first condition, we can write the fixed charge, that is x, plus charge per kilometer is y. So for 10 kilometers it is 10y. You have to pay rupees 105. Let it be equation 1. Now the second condition is for a journey of 15 kilometers, the charge paid is 155. That means according to the second condition you can write fixed charge is x plus for 15 kilometer charge is 15y, which is equal to 155. Now you got two equations. Do solve yourself. The first equation is x plus 10y is equal to 105. From this x you can write it as 105 minus 10y. Now substitute this value of x in equation 2, we get x plus 15y means 105 minus 10y plus x you substituted, then 15y is equal to 155. That is 105 minus 10y plus 15y, which is equal to plus 5y is equal to 155. That is 5y is equal to 155 minus 105, which is equal to 50. That means y is equal to 50 by 5. That is 10. Now you got the value of 10. Now substitute y is equal to 10 in equation 1. You will get the value of x. Equation 1 is x plus 10y means 10 into 10 is equal to 105. That is x plus 100 is equal to 105. X is equal to 105 minus 100, which is equal to 5. So y is equal to rupees 10 and x is equal to rupees 5. So we can write the conclusion as fixed charge is equal to rupees 5 and charge per kilometer is equal to rupees 10. Now look at the second one. How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? For a 25 kilometers, fixed charge is x and per kilometer y rupees means for 25 kilometer 25y. So therefore charge per 25 kilometer you can write it as charge for 25 kilometer is equal to x plus 25y. That is 5 plus 25 into 10. Y is equal to 10, which is equal to 5 plus 250 is equal to rupees 255. This is the charge for 25 kilometers. Now let us look at the next question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. To find out the fraction, we have to know the numerator and the denominator. So that you can take it as x and y. So first you can write it as, let x be the numerator and y be the denominator. Then what will be the fraction? As of course it is x by y. So we have to find out x and y. For that, according to the first condition, what is the condition given? If 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes, so we have to add 2 to both numerator and denominator. That means x plus 2, then y plus 2. So the fraction will be x plus 2 by y plus 2. What you get? You get 9 by 11. This is the first condition. Now cross multiply. That is 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. Multiply by 11, what will you get? 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 80. Now transpose variable to one side, that is 11x transpose 9y, you get minus 9y is equal to 80 transpose 22 to the other side, minus 22. That is 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22, that is negative 4. Let this be the equation 1. Now what is the second condition? The second condition is, if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. That you can write it as 3 is added to both numerator and denominator means x plus 3 by y plus 3. The fraction becomes 5 by 6. Now do cross multiply. You get 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. That is 6x plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 50. So transpose 5y to the other side. That is 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18. That is 6x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 18 is negative 3. This is equation 2. Now we can do it. Let us take the first equation, that is 11x minus 9y is equal to negative 4. Here take 11x one side, that is minus 4 plus 9y. For x you can write it as minus 4 plus 9y, you can write it as 9y minus 4 by 11. Substitute this value of x in equation 2 we get the second equation is 6x minus 5y is equal to negative 3. So you can write it as 6 into, instead of x, you can write 9y minus 4 by 11. Then minus 5y is equal to negative 3. Now multiply by 6, you get 6 nines 54y minus 24 by 11 minus 5y is equal to negative 3. Now do multiply by 11 throughout. What did you get? Here 11 cancel. So 54y minus 24 will be. Then here if you multiply by 11 you will get 11 into 5 55y. Here if you multiply by 11 you will get negative 33. That means each term you multiplied by 11. Now 54y minus 55y you get minus y minus 24 is equal to minus 33. That is negative y is equal to negative 33 plus 24. That is negative y is equal to negative 33 plus 24 is negative 9. That means y is equal to 9. Negative 9 by negative 1 is equal to positive 9. Now you got the value of 9. Now what you have to do? Do substitute y is equal to 9 in equation 1. You get equation 1 is 11x minus 9y is equal to negative 4. That is 11x minus 9y means 9 into 9 is equal to negative 4. That is 11x minus 81 is equal to negative 4. So 11x is equal to minus 4 plus 81. That is 11x is equal to minus 4 plus 81 is equal to 77. So x is equal to 77 by 11, which is equal to 7. Now you got the value of x and value of y. So the fraction you can write it as x by y means 7 by 9. Because numerator is equal to x, denominator is equal to y. So therefore the fraction is x by y, that is 7 by 9. Now look at the last question. Here is your question. It's an age problem. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are the percentage? You have to find out percentage of both Jacob and his son. For every such problem, you will be given 2 conditions. Here the conditions are 5 years hence and 5 years ago. This is the 2 conditions given in the question. So for our convenience, we can prepare a table. That is, one contains present age and the condition is 5 years hence, that is after 5 years, then 5 years ago. Five years hence and 5 years ago. Now for every age problem, 2 persons will be there. Here it is Jacob and his son. So we can write Jacob and son. What is his percentage? Let the percentage of Jacob be x and son be y. 5 years hence means after 5 years. Jacob age, of course it is x plus 5 and son's age will be y plus 5. Now 5 years ago, what will be the age of Jacob? Yes, it is x minus 5 and son's age will be y minus 5. This is the basic information about this problem. Now let us start solving this problem. So first we can start. Let x years be the age of Jacob and y years be the age of his son. Now according to the first condition, what is the first condition? 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be. That means after 5 years age of Jacob means it is written as x plus 5. It will be 3 times that of his son. So his son's age is y plus 5. 3 times y plus 5 you can write it as 3 into y plus 5. That's all. Now do solve it. That is x plus 5 is equal to 3y plus 15. That is x and y take one side. That is x minus 3y is equal to 15 minus 5. That is x minus 3y is equal to 10 is the first equation. Now look at the second condition. According to the second condition, what is the second condition? Jacob's 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. So 5 years ago we written Jacob age is x minus 5, which is equal to 7 times that of his son's age, that is y minus 5. Now x minus 5 is equal to 7y minus 5 into 7 is 35. That is x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 5. Minus 5 transposing plus 5. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 5 is equal to negative 30. This is the equation number 2. Now let us consider the first equation. That is x minus 3y is equal to 10. So x you can write it as 10 plus 3y. Substitute x is equal to 10 plus 3y in equation 2 we get. Equation 2 is x minus 7y is equal to negative 30. So here x you can write it as 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to negative 30. That is 10 plus 3y minus 7y is equal to minus 4y is equal to minus 30. So minus 4y you can write it as minus 30 minus 10, that is minus 4y is equal to minus 40. Y you will get it as minus 40 by minus 4, that is 10. That is y is equal to 10. Now do substitute y is equal to 10 in equation 1 we get. Equation 1 is x minus 3y is equal to 10. That is x minus 3 into 10 is equal to 10. That is x minus 30 is equal to 10. Therefore x is equal to 10 plus 30, which is equal to 40. So we can conclude the age of Jacob is 40 years and age of his son is equal to 10 years. So that exercise is over. That is all for today's class. Have a nice day.